Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Singh. Welcome to my channel. The skeleton system. Skeleton system is the internal framework of human body, which is made up of bones, cartilage, tendons and ligaments. Human body is made up of 270 bones at birth and fused to form 206 bones in adults. Functions of skeleton system. It gives shape and support to the body. It helps in the movement and locomotion. It protects the delicate internal organs. It helps in the formation and development of blood cells called hemopiosis. Parts of skeleton system. Bones. They are living tissue, hard and consist of calcium and phosphorus. Cartilage. It is found between the bones. It reduces friction in the joints as bone moves upon one another. It lends support and flexibility. Joints. They are points where two bones join together. Ligaments. Bones are attached to bones by bands of tough fibrous tissues called ligaments. It stretches when pulled as it is tough and elastic in nature. Tendon. They are tough but not elastic tissue that attaches muscles to bones. Functions of bones. It provides support to the body, protection of soft organs, helps in movement due to attached skeleton muscles, store minerals and fats, blood cell formation. The picture shows bones and the cartilage present between the bones. The second picture shows ligaments which attaches to bones and the tendons which attaches bones to muscles. Skeleton system are of two types: axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton is of three types, consists of skull, vertebral column and ribcage. Appendicular skeleton consists of pectoral or shoulder girdle, forelimbs or arms, pelvic and hip girdle, hind limbs or legs. Axial skeleton. First is skull. It encases the brain. It has 22 bones, 8 cranial bones and 14 facial bones. Vertebral column. Also known as the backbone. It is curved S-shaped structure composed of 33 ring-like bones called vertebrae. It is divided into 5 groups. 7 cervical vertebrae in the neck region, 12 thoracic vertebrae in the chest region, 5 lumbar in the belly region, 5 sacrum in the hip region which are fused into one, and 4 coccyx in the tail region which fuse into one. Ribcage. It is an enclosure of ribs which is attached to the sternum on the front side and vertebral column on the back side. Sternum is the flat bone on the front side, also called as breastbone. There are 12 pairs of ribs. First 7 pairs are attached directly to sternum, called true ribs. Next 3 pairs are not directly attached to the sternum but join the 7th rib, hence called false rib. Last 2 pairs are free, hence called floating ribs. Flowchart for axial skeleton. The skull, vertebral column, rib cage. Skull has 8 cranial bones, 14 facial bones, total 22 bones. Vertebral column has 7 cervical bones, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral and 5 caudal. Total 33 vertebrae. The rib cage has 7 pairs of true ribs, 3 pairs of false rib and 2 pairs of floating ribs. Total 12 pairs of ribs. Appendicular skeleton consists of bones of limbs and girdles. Pectoral girdle, also known as shoulder girdle. It consists of 2 flat triangular shoulder blades called scapula and a long curved collar bone called clavicle. The cup-shaped cavity in which the head of humerus bone fit is called glenoid cavity. Forelimbs or arms. It consists of single long bone in the upper arm called humerus and 2 long bones in the lower arm called radius and ulna. Then 8 carpals in the wrist region, 5 metacarpals in the palm and 14 phalanges, 2 in the thumb and 3 each in the remaining 4 fingers. Pelvic girdle, also known as hip girdle. It is large trough-shaped part formed by 2 hip bones that are joined in the sacrum. Each hip bone is made up of 3 fused bones called ilium, ischium and pubis. The cup-shaped cavity in which fits the head of femur bone is called acetabulum cavity. Hind limbs or legs. It consists of long bone in the thigh region called femur. It is the longest bone of the body. 2 long bones in the shank called tibia and fibula. Seven tarsals in the ankle region, 5 metatarsals in the middle of the foot, 14 phalanges, toes and the foot fingers. Additional bone as kneecap or patella. Flowchart for appendicular skeleton. It consists of pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, forelimbs, hind limbs. Pectoral girdle consists of clavicle and scapula. Pelvic girdle consists of sacrum and pubis. Forelimbs consist of humerus bone in the upper arm, radius ulna in the forearm, 8 carpals in the wrist and 5 metacarpals in the palm, 14 phalanges, finger bones. Hind limbs consist of 1 femur bone in the thigh region, 2 tibia fibula in the shank, 1 patella in the knee, 7 tarsals in the ankle, 5 metatarsals in the foot, and 14 phalanges, toes and fingers. Now this is the picture of whole skeleton. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.